Good morning, I'm here at Oxenholme train station in the Lake District. I'm off to Manchester to the Apple Store at the Arndale there to find out a bit more about the Mac Studio. I've seen lots of reviews, I want to see it in the flesh, so here goes. Bosh. Arrived in Manchester. I've done this walk many times down Market Street, off to the Mac store to see the Mac Studio. Hopefully I'm going to be able to film in there. Can't wait. Well, I've just come out of the Apple Store here in the Arndale. I wasn't able to film the Mac Studio, I wasn't able to film even in the Arndale, I shouldn't even be doing this. But absolutely amazing. I've ordered the M1 Ultra, 64 gigabytes of RAM and 1TB hard drive. So yeah, need to pay for it now and wait for it till June. June, can you believe it? There's a shortage of chips. Yeah. So, welcome back. I'm outside Piccadilly Station, about to go back home to Lake District. Spent a couple of hours here in Manchester in the Northern Quarter taking some street photography pictures of some of the graffiti that's quite cool down here. So yeah, I visited Apple, spoke to their business team and spoke to a really nice lady called Zoe, and basically there's a choice between the Max and the Ultra, and the Max was probably okay for my workflow, for Lightroom, for Photoshop, Illustrator, Final Cut, but actually I've gone for the base model of the Ultra with 64 gigabytes of RAM and 1TB hard drive storage. I've also got some SSD externally as well, 14 terabytes. So yeah, placing that order today. June is a delivery date at the minute, and also setting up a business account means that I can get 6% off future purchases, so that's good to know. Looked at the Mac Studio display, man, it's buggy. Looked at FaceTime and looked at the camera. It's supposed to be a 12 megapixel camera, but actually the camera in the Mac Studio display is nowhere near as good as the iPad cameras. There must be a bug in it somewhere. Yeah, I'm going to hold off on that one because my 5K ultra fine LG monitor is okay, so I'm not going to tamper with that at the moment. Yes, it's a bit plasticky and it's not fitted to the design of Apple, but yeah, I'm just going to leave that in a minute and wait till June for my Ultra to arrive. And I've just seen a bee. Wow. If you've liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, that'd be greatly appreciated. So, on the way back to the Lake District now, back to the green fields. Take care, speak to you soon, bye for now.